Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you delete a contact on Viber app. So make sure that you have already logged in with your phone number on Viber app, and after that just go to your Viber app. Now into the Viber app, just click the bottom second option, calls. And after going to calls, just select the number that you want to delete, and after selecting it, just long press it on the number like this, and here you can see the third option is delete. Just click on it. Again just click on delete, and by deleting it the number will be also deleted from your contact list. So guys, that's how you can delete contact on Viber app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.